Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll still be looking at another staking method that you can earn money from it without trading. Okay, so all you just need to do is to quickly log into your app. But before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do what to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure you have some fund in your wallet. Log into your account. So having logged into your account, you're going to go into navigate to solve to the top right hand side here. To the top right hand side where you always see a bell sign. It is a notification sign. Okay. If you click on it, or you can go to your launch pool or launch pad to search for it. Okay. So open it. If you open it carefully, this is what we're going to look at. We're going to look at this. It's a N11% APR. Stake your ETH for stETH and get daily yield while able to trade with your assets. Wow. On this, you can stake and you can see trade with your assets. Okay. So what next? We're going to open it and look at what exactly is going on there. Open it. So having opened it, you'll see something of this very nature. We say stake ETH. ETH means Ethereum for stETH. If you stake this ETH, you're going to get stETH for free. It's going to be as a reward for you staking the ETH. Okay. And secondly, you're going to stake ETH for mETH. So these two activities will give you a lot much more of funds. You make profit from this very place without trading. All you just need to do is to just stake and it. Okay. So let's start from the first one, which says stake ETH for stETH. You can see it's already 11%. That was yesterday. Just yesterday, it was 11% yield. Okay. So let's go. All you just need to do is to click on stake. If you click on stake, don't forget minimum of ETH that you can stake is 0.1. Okay, is 0.1, which is a whole lot of money though. But if you can do it, you will make a lot of profit. Okay, if you can do it, you will make a lot of profit. All right, though this is a bit expensive, it's a bit high. You need like you just need much money to do this. Okay, so if you have some USDT in your account, you're first going to go into trade it with ETH, or you convert it to ETH. Okay, if you convert it to ETH, then you can stake for stETH. Okay, so whatever is allocated to you from the Ethereum, you receive its equivalent here on stETH. Okay, so having done that, all you just need to do is to come down this place and take this very place, saying that yes, you understand ETH will be converted to stETH at 1:1. Wow. Okay, as at 1 ratio what? Ratio 1. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on stake. If you click on stake, it's very simple. Then you confirm it. Okay, you just confirm it and start earning your profit. Okay, so and if you want to redeem it, you want to get it back. If you want to get it back, you click on this redeem. Okay, you click on this redeem and follow it up. Okay, if you want to get it back, you click on this redeem. If you click on this redeem, follow the same process. Everything will be shown to you here. Tick on this box which says I acknowledge and understand the state will be converted at 1 ratio 1. Okay, then you click on redeem. All right, so clicking on the redeem, your USDT or your ETH that you used to stake will be back to you. Okay, and here if you want to stake ETH for mETH, you can see here if you want to stake ETH for mETH, it's still the same thing. Follow the same process. Come to click on stake. Follow the same process. Click on this box and click on stake now. Okay, so everything here is very simple and highly comprehensible. So we'll be stopping here for today. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP, either within this or another. Okay, so thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.